Hey y'all, welcome back, or welcome if you are new. My name is Kaylee. So today we are doing a porch makeover. So I'm going to start with the porch. Sun's going down, so we don't have that much time. I have to build some new furniture, which I'm going to go over that here in a little bit. And I'm really excited about that. I also got Dixie like a swinging chair thing. I have no idea if she's going to like it or not. Oh, it's PJ, hold on. But like I was saying, I got Dixie a chair and I don't think she's gonna like it. So she sat in it and she was a little shaky just because it moves. It's not very far off the ground, so I don't know, we'll see. She might warm up to it. But yeah, let's go ahead and get everything put together outside. I'm really excited. Okay, so I have the camera set up. I'm gonna change because it is so cold outside. I think tonight's gonna get to 32 or 34. Can't see my breath yet. But that's pretty cold for us right now, especially since it was like 78 yesterday. So my allergies are so messed up. Okay, I'm changed. Okay, so now I'm gonna start by vacuuming this rug and the cement and stuff and get it all cleaned up. I'm gonna move everything off. So hopefully there's no snakes or spiders, because we saw a small snake yesterday and I'm scared. So yeah, let's do this.
To settle down, day nights and late nights don't get around, but there's something about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you.
Okay, so I have a new little runner rug that I'm gonna put right here.
Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
So I'm actually going to move this rug down a little bit and rotate the smaller one. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. You can literally see PJ's leg. That is so funny.
If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you.
Alright, so this is the fire pit that I got. And then this has all of the outdoor furniture in it as well. This is the bed that I got Dixie, or chair I guess, but I don't think she's gonna like it. I also need to figure out all the different tones of, I don't know, like beige. It's kind of driving me crazy, so we'll see what I end up with.
If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
So we do have a sponsor for today's video, which is Causeway. Thank you so much, Causeway, for sponsoring today's video. I did work with them before, I believe a month or so ago, and that was for the griddle, and it was amazing. They went ahead and sent me a patio furniture set, which we absolutely love. PJ loves it. He fits perfectly in the chair. The sizing couldn't be any more perfect because it fits right in between all three windows for our back porch. So now this summer we can actually sit outside and make s'mores and have friends over, which which we already have, and we were playing cornhole and a bunch of different things, and it was a really cool hangout spot. Definitely check out their website because they have so many different things you can choose from: patio furniture, pool floats, appliances.
All right, not too bad. It took me about 20 minutes to make this, but the cushion is outside, so I'm going to speed, oh, you can't even see me. I'm going to speed build the next one and just have this rolling really fast. So it should take me about 15 minutes now that I know how to put everything together. So let's go ahead and build the other chair. Ow. So hopefully you can see me, but that timer, since I started the camera to record the second chair, it's only been 11 minutes, so that's pretty good.
They do have 24-hour online customer service, and they also ship really fast, from 3 to 5 days. Of course, I'm going to leave everything down below. That way you can click on it. It's going to be at the very top of my description box. Thank you again, Causeway, for sponsoring today's video.
Hold up just a minute. Been looking for some help just to find myself. Yeah. Been losing my focus like 1,000 times before. Can't take this anymore. 'Cause I've been looking for something to change thoughts into motion. Been waiting way too long. Yeah, waiting.
Cold out here. Oh my gosh. Woo! I love this. This is literally perfect for us. Okay. Okay, y'all, so it's actually been a minute. I actually did finish all of this off camera because we had some guests over, which we never have. I'll get to this little thing in a minute, but I cleared everything off because I'm going to put it all back, but I want to deep clean this first. I have like a pressure washer attachment for a hose, so we're gonna test that out. I got it at Target, and so I think it was like 15 bucks or something. But I want to go ahead and clean this, let it dry, and then I'm gonna put everything back and show you what it looks like. I'm really excited. I did buy a new rug and a little bit of decorations. I did already put this up because Dixie loves to sunbathe, but I don't like shutting the main door, and with bugs and everything, I got this off Amazon and I absolutely love it. I'm gonna link it down below. And yeah, so let me go ahead, and I need to set this up, and we're gonna go ahead and clean this. So let me go grab that. Okay, so this is the turbo jet that I got from Target, and it says it turns any hose into a power washer. So I'm really hoping that it works really well because, you know, getting the giant pressure washer out and everything and setting it all up is a big task. And I also got a new hose, so let me show you. And then I also picked up this flat soaker hose. I liked it because it was super thin when all the water's out of it. So we're gonna test this out as well.
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the to do. I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself now and then. I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the
that's going to do it for today's video. I really hope that you like this porch makeover. I really enjoyed it, and I really love actually coming out here now and sitting outside. Thank you again, Causeway, for sponsoring today's video. Make sure you guys go check out their website. I hope you enjoy your day.
I met you in the summer when you